In this session, we'll be actually seeing about conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a tool which will actually help you to visualize patterns, color your data, and analyze the patterns in your data, or even to create patterns in your data. So, we are going to see a very example where you have the data set of a student's name and section which they belong, and five subjects mark and their total. Here, let us say I wanted to highlight the A section in green color. So what we are going to do is you're just going to select this data here, the section where it contains, go to conditional formatting, and you're going to give highlight cell rules, which has the text, okay, which has the text that contains A. Okay, and I want it in which color? In green color. So I am going to select it down and I'm going to give green fill with dark green text. Okay, so this is how you can highlight your names, or your sections, whichever you want based on your criteria. Now let us see another example. Out of this entire data, I want to highlight the marks which are student marks which are less than 40 in red color. So I'm going to select the entire data set where it contains the mark. Select it, go to conditional formatting, select highlight cell rules. If it is less than, okay, if it is less than, let us say 40, if it is less than 40, then I want the cells to be in red color. So just give okay. Okay, so now again another condition they have provided is if the student's mark is greater than 80, then it should be in green color. So again, I'm going to select the cell where it contains all the marks. Then what we are going to do is go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, which is greater than 80, which means I want it in green color. So you can even add your custom color. Just go to custom format, go to fill, then I'm going to give this green color, just give okay. So you could see these are the cells where the students who have scored more than 80 marks. Now another thing what you have is, this is for an information I'm saying, like what you can do is you can even highlight your roles using any values. You can also create your new role by just clicking new role. You can create a new role like format only cell value if it contains between this number and this number. Then even you can use your own formula. You can write a formula using if and or any function, and you can also create a conditional formatting data set. Now let us go on to the fourth question, which is use data bars for total marks. So what they are asking is like in the total marks they are asking, like you should insert a data bar to indicate how much value they have progressed. So I'm going to select this entire total value, go to conditional formatting. Then you can see apart from highlighting the rows, you have called data bars, one option, color scale, and another option where you can see the gradient of colors, then even icon set. So here the question is data bars. So I'm selecting this value. So another color. Okay. So this is how your data bars look like. So even you can include icon sets here, like by selecting the symbols. Just by selecting it here, just go to conditional formatting, go to icon set, and you will be able to create your mark symbols also here. So this is how actually conditional formatting works. Now let us say here also, let me include for another example conditional formatting. color scales I'm using. So if you wanted to color your scales, you can color it using the conditional formatting coloring scales itself. And let us say I wanted to clear a rule from a particular row or a column. Just select which you want, then go and give clear rules from the selected cells. So your conditional formatting disappears from that. So this is how conditional formatting works.